Whey concentrate, isolate, or hydrolysate. What's the difference, and which one should you choose for your goals? Typically 70–80% protein by weight, contains more carbs, fat, and lactose than other forms. Creamier taste, usually cheaper. Best for general fitness, budget shoppers, people without lactose sensitivity. +90% protein content, minimal carbs and fats. Lactose filtered out, easier digestion for many. Absorbs quickly, good for cutting or lean gains. Best for bodybuilders in prep, people with lactose issues, anyone wanting high-purity protein. Pre-digested, proteins broken down into smaller peptides. Fastest digestion plus absorption, less bloating, quick amino acid delivery. Usually most expensive, sometimes bitter taste. Best for elite athletes, people with sensitive digestion, post-surgery or clinical recovery. So which one should you pick? If you're on a budget, concentrate works. If you're cutting or lactose sensitive, isolate is your friend. If you want the fastest recovery and don't mind the price tag, hydrolysate is the elite choice. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for my recommended whey proteins.